welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Statue of Tirot Singh unveiled in Dhaka. Chief Minister hails historic moment. MSP-MRU launches Parma Sahi Dam initiative in Ampati seminar. Khasi Students Union urges Education Minister for pending scholarship payments. And Khasi Students Union urges for Meghalaya houses across major Indian cities. And now the news in detail. In a momentous announcement, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma declared in the Assembly yesterday, the 16th of February, that the statue of Tirot Singh has been erected in Dhaka. Political leaders joined in applause, commemorating the day as a tribute to Tirot Singh's valiant fight against British colonial rule.
Tirot Singh is a symbol of hope, a symbol of bravery, and a symbol of patriotism. Today, by unveiling the bust of Tirot Singh in Dhaka, all of these have been recognized, and I would like to officially take this opportunity to thank the government of Bangladesh and the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India, the Government of India, and all the other stakeholders who have made this a possibility. So as I speak, our team, which is headed by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mas Nyobalangdhar, our Art and Culture Minister, Ma Paul Lingdo, our Health Minister, Kong Amperin Lingdo, and our State Planning Board Chairman, Bametba Lingdo, along with different traditional heads, himas of different CMship, different community leaders, different academicians, different artists, and members from the press are in Dhaka today to be part of this memorable and a very, very historic.
Meghalaya State Price Monitoring and Resource Unit unveiled the Parma Sahi Dam initiative during a successful seminar on medicinal price regulation in Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills. In collaboration with the NPPA, the initiative aims to ensure affordable and accessible medicines. Chief Guest YW Moman, ADC, lauded MSP-MRU's efforts, urging adherence to guidelines for effective implementation. The NPPA's role as an independent regulator was emphasized for its pivotal contribution to affordable medicine availability. Established in 2023, MSP-MRU monitors drug prices and provides technical assistance, while the newly launched app enables citizens to verify MRPs and register grievances. Under the leadership of Reches Malnyang, Assistant Education Secretary, the Khasi Students Union Education Cell met with the Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma to address the issue of pending scholarship payments. Highlighting the plight of numerous students yet to receive their dues, Reches emphasized the financial strain on parents due to the delay. The government has assured serious attention to the matter, with pending funds set to be disbursed after review by the Directorate of Higher Technical Education. Students encountering difficulties are advised to liaise with DHTE workers for assistance, ensuring swift resolution of the issue.
Tingit sekan geruk babun hidik semapulih di bidang kami ini scholarship akabat siu ke baik kelas ke joki tam mentali di benai ba kelas tang kelas nama jenggal scholarship tu ka yarap makan paham kena yang bagi benda tek susu itu punya joki ini tentu bentar kesini yang kalian jongka KSU division sel jongka seni berkawai rengkat lang bat ka KSU komplement ni keren bagi semua kita kimat yang kaba ni kalian jongka sel ni sim ya isu mabede ka isu scholarship kaba board ki na kiba apply ni scholarship mabede ka national merit combined scholarship bat ka pre matric scholarship kiba anda kalian jongka department concern kimala kamla ban poi ini ban ai ka scholarship ka beri hok ka joki ade bang lekran ber education minister ya mabede bani ka benta ban kalian ka jongko ular yang ba musim khai ni kam bat lese itu ki Samla ki bam palak penyo ini pamla penyo ini scholarship yang don kam ya ka ba kin kalian department ki ben ki jikun na baro bat hakin kata ro ada tangdon parti Samla ki bam sim pring kata disman baik kemyo ya scholarship tekila bang bali bi support ka DHTE ya ka ba ini ben verify nomor kalian ka suka apply tu bisa kebentar ka ba arpat ke bede berka portal macam function di portal bede berka national merit combined scholarship yang tua kelas D gede mulai trik dari mentah apa kena ki bersang depan apply renewal dan refresh dari pengalaman play ke portal dan kalian jong kaseng ni untuk education minister la banjur eu ya muncim kia ni kam nomor ba LC kaji mabtai kam dengan portal berkelas D kan no tekan ora sini sibuni nah di bakbi nanti ya ban yo ini scholarship nambah national merit combined scholarship.
On February 16th, the Khasi Students Union Bangalore unit convened with the minister in charge of the General Administrative Department, advocating for the establishment of Meghalaya houses in Bangalore, Kolkata, Delhi and other key cities. The aim is to support students from Meghalaya studying in these areas and assist Meghalaya residents in need. Currently, the absence of such facilities has led to significant challenges. The government assured a serious consideration of the matter and pledged to enforce strict regulations on agencies responsible for sending students outside the state, addressing the pressing concerns effectively.
Lada nagaling jung sarkar kam bill up lane kambu Meghalaya house kumapo Kolkata Delhi batui ki jala jong ka India he berboy tegumta nagaling jung sing di daban khiajur namar ndai bangiwan tang mata kasin ke banang ko abun sin kumala batai but ni kermen skam dan baka jing ya kundu jing mata sini ba nagaling jung sarkar kan leon kamploy kenang ba kajing sekri ninyo yak ta kajing ninyo no yak ta ka ba khamsuk hakali kawan habide bat ki khna si bat ki nong tre ki badan sipa Bangalore bat ki balik bawan ta ka baar kalong habide bat kini ki jingle puli ki khna leng ba kini ki agencies ki ba operate apo Meghalaya nilai genduk nagaling ka sarkar hoy kinumdan kanu ka prosedur ban follow up nagaling jung agency dau education minister la batai bomdan indrai unsim khaya gane bo unsa bu ki procedure ki kendon ya ki agency ki ba dan ki bashim ya kane ka kam ban bu ki khana ban ai ka counseling ki ban pha police bar ki khana ki jungi namar nila ya lengba mangiru ni pas pa Bangalore ki dan ketu ni ki khambun hi ki agency haba ki ai counseling seni kelong ro mai ndai ndala poi support Bangalore but ki khna kiyo da ka balong opposite ya ka baki batai seni kunukum kanuksa highway bat ka jakasa highway ka jakapule dan ki college teng seni kilong bakala biang kala verify ndai ndala poi sti what ban registered ya ka college kim pat biang ndai ka dai tang college batak susdang te ka jakasa ka tu jukup tendi joki seni kalong labanong no kalong kabakamba kababha ndai la poisti bat kalong opposite ya kata kalong ban ka jing pen jenjare ki Kena pakadaw nagaling jong kaseng hakini kisnem ke bla dep nilai rap ro ke kena ban shift nek kum kita ke college sekwe pat ke college ke pakhamha te ka balai kolong ba ni nilai ju yarap nagaling jong kaseng habai de bat ki ba sha leben sha yurat ki bar jala ki bom de ki khasi bat nilai ju yarap ro kidon ki ba sha peniap kidon ki ba sha lamanong sya haras yaki habakidan sya Bangalore te nakaling dung seng yela yele bat nilai tres dam kat bala ndrei mentang sni la ya keren yo minister bade Peit long lembaga jing lembaga jingi kendu jingi menta nakaling dung ul ai ka assuran ba nakaling dung ka state Meghalaya bat ka state Karnataka kinsa sign ka MOU habaide bat kin ai ya ka yo hotline number nang ba kan sup yaki ladadan kanu kecing ye habide kena aksi di Bangalore.
Former Meghalaya Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma, who departed from the Congress party to join Trinamool Congress (TMC), made headlines on February 16th. As he announced his deep affinity for farming, Sangma emphasized his understanding of the challenges confronting farmers. He revealed his recent experience selling betel nuts at a mere 3,700 rupees per sack, underscoring the pressing need for agricultural reform. Pledging to champion agricultural initiatives, Sangma expressed his intent to monitor the government's efforts in advancing farming and agriculture within the state as an opposition figure within the TMC ranks.
The sole responsibility of protecting the interests of the people and protecting the interests of the state. So we are watching every decision of the government, we are scrutinizing, and based on that, we will take on the government. We will responsibly perform our responsibilities as opposition, and that's what we look forward to do.
The coal mines,
not just coal mining, not just coal mining. You will be surprised to see many other issues. Today, I have always encouraged farming. I myself also do lots of farming. You'll be surprised to see that this year, I have landed up selling my areca nut at the rate of 3,700 per bag. What is the reason? So we are analyzing, we are trying to find out. You have all the inputs, you are aware. So what exactly is happening? You talk about increasing the income sources of every household. Today we are grateful to the farmers that they have collectively put all the efforts to have this sustainable source of income from farming, from horticulture. You might recollect, in the past, it has been really, really difficult to win away the people from the earlier traditional mode of, slash and burn method of cultivation, the jumming. It has been very, very difficult. But over decades, the collective effort of the multiple departments, multiple initiatives of the government of the past in the preceding decades have ultimately been able to at least give them a reason to believe that we need to shift from the slash and burn method of jumming and shift towards sustainable farming, which is horticulture. And today, that's why you will see that lots of people are able to have at least reasonable amount of sustainable income. It is a responsibility of all the policymakers, everybody, to ensure that you go on putting that kind of effort with utmost sense of sincerity and commitment to increase their earning. Why do we talk about various other interventions? Why are those other interventions to help livelihood on a sustainable basis? The idea is to increase the income, and not only increase, but on a sustained manner. It should have this graph, increasing graph. You go to the farmers, ask them what is happening. This time even the price of the broomstick is half the price of the preceding year's market. So therefore, many multiple challenges do confront the farmers. And these are issues. Today I will tell you one thing. If the farmers wouldn't have had this access to sustainable income from the farming, you would have seen more dropouts, school dropouts. You would have seen more dislocation of livelihood and the resultant negative fallout. Yeah. Today, it is therefore important to see that anything that harm the farming community or anything that
The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly commenced its budget session on February 16th, marked by an opening speech delivered by the governor in English, Khasi and Hindi. Prior to this, Speaker Thomas A. Sangma disclosed the governor's health issues. Despite this, the governor emphasized themes of peace, agricultural advancements, healthcare and education in his address. He also highlighted strides in sports, tourism and other sectors. Following the governor's speech, the session proceeded briefly before concluding.
Kindly address the House. You may be seated, please. May I now request the Honourable Governor to kindly address the House.
Honorable Speaker and Honorable Member of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
Viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.